Hello, and welcome to this session. LO2, produce a plan for carrying out the investigation. Today, we will explore how social media shapes the study habits of college students. This investigation plan provides a clear and structured approach, outlining the key methods, resources, and ethical considerations needed to examine this important topic. The investigation employs a primary research method supported by secondary research. Primary data will be collected through a questionnaire targeting college students. Secondary sources include books, articles, and online resources. The questionnaire provides measurable data for analysis. This method ensures practical and efficient data collection. The target group consists of college students, with a sample size of 20 to 30 participants. This number is feasible for the available time frame. A simple sampling method will be used, involving students who are available and willing to participate. This approach fits the investigation's small scale. It ensures relevant data collection. The main tool is a questionnaire, featuring multiple choice, closed, and rating scale questions. A few open questions are included for personal insights. Questions cover social media usage, frequency, and platform preferences. They also explore social media's impact on concentration and productivity. This tool gathers both statistics and opinions. Necessary resources include a laptop, internet access, and questionnaire forms. Access to student participants is vital. Notebooks or digital documents will record findings. Background research requires books, journals, and websites. These resources are accessible and suitable for the investigation. The investigation follows a weekly schedule. Week 1 involves finalizing the topic and proposal. Background research occurs in Week 2. By Week 4, questionnaires are distributed and responses collected. The final report is completed by Week 8. Participants will be informed about the research purpose. Participation is voluntary, with the option to withdraw. Responses remain anonymous and confidential. Data is solely for academic purposes. The investigation upholds ethical standards. The small sample size might limit representativeness. Some participants may not answer honestly. The focus on one student group limits generalizability. Low response rates are a potential risk. To mitigate, the questionnaire is concise and straightforward. Progress will be reviewed at each stage. After designing the questionnaire, its alignment with aims is checked. Data collection will be assessed for adequacy. This review process identifies early issues. Adjustments can be made if necessary. Organized stages ensure a successful investigation. Each stage contributes to accurate data collection. Selecting a relevant topic is the first step. Developing a proposal outlines the research's rationale and objectives. Background research provides theoretical support. Post-background research, data collection methods are designed. A questionnaire gathers information on social media use. Questions align with research aims. This stage ensures relevant data collection. It lays the groundwork for subsequent analysis. Questionnaires are distributed to college students. Responses reflect real experiences and opinions. This stage gathers primary data. It is crucial for understanding students' social media habits. The data collected is foundational for analysis. Collected data is organized and analyzed. Patterns and trends are identified. Simple statistics, like percentages, are calculated. Analysis interprets findings on social media's influence. This stage transforms data into meaningful insights. Results are linked back to research aims and theories. Conclusions summarize findings. Recommendations or further research areas may be suggested. This stage ensures the investigation's outcomes are clear. It provides a comprehensive understanding of the topic. Planning identifies time and resources for each stage. This ensures tasks are completed within the time frame. Resources like laptops and internet access are crucial. Planning keeps the investigation organized. It facilitates smooth progression from start to finish. A quantitative methodology is selected for reliable data. It focuses on numerical data analysis. Questionnaires are the primary method for data collection. Secondary research provides theoretical context. This methodology is practical and efficient. A range of sources supports the investigation. Academic books and journals provide theoretical insights. Reliable websites offer current statistics. Primary data from questionnaires reflects real student experiences. Using diverse sources strengthens the research. The questionnaire is a key primary research tool. It collects data on social media usage from students. Responses provide valuable insights. Data analysis tools organize and present findings. Primary research is crucial for real-world relevance. Combining sources ensures credible evidence. Textbooks, journals, and online data provide a comprehensive view. Primary data adds authenticity. This approach offers a well-rounded understanding of social media's impact. It enhances the reliability of conclusions. References include Bryman and Creswell's works. Kothari's methodology book is cited. Saunders' research methods are referenced. Denscomb's guide supports small-scale research. These sources underpin the investigation's academic foundation. Refer to ebooks and journals on Moodle for further reading. For queries, email the provided address. Submit assignments within 2 weeks post-unit completion. Follow submission guidelines for a successful evaluation. This ensures academic compliance and success. This plan structures the investigation clearly. It details methods, participants, and resources. By adhering to this plan, reliable findings on social media's effect on study habits will emerge. The investigation remains focused and organized. It promises valuable insights into student behavior. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 074-843-61688, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.